You always wanted a TR6?
Well, I sort of, I wanted some sort of two-door open top car.
Yes.
I was thinking of a Cobra replica, something like that. But this came up, and I thought that's ideal because I wanted something to tinker with. I didn't realise it needed as much tinkering.
Yes. If you know now what you knew then, would you have bought it?
No. No. Like my situation has changed quite dramatically as well. I separated from my missus, and it's made it a little bit trickier.
I see.
But
Her indoors would never understand these things.
They never understand these things. No. She still thinks I'm mad now. I still talk to her, and she still thinks I'm mad now. But yeah, you get that. Mm.